These are the beautiful Tawichon Botanical Gardens. The land for this beautiful sanctuary was first purchased in 1979 by Mr. Tawisak Sisawe. Mr. Tawisak was previously the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Agriculture in Thailand. The total land area is made up of 285 rai, or almost 50 hectares of beautiful arable land. The gardens are found just 10 kilometers from the city centre of Chiang Mai City along the Doi Saket Road. This beautiful garden is packed full of many plant varieties: orchids, palms, cycads, cacti, natives, ornamentals, herbal medicines and many, many more. This has all been planted for the benefit of students and the public who have an interest in the beauty of nature. Another important purpose of the gardens is to preserve and display the ancient ways of living of the historical Lanna or Northern Thai people. The centre point is a 6-rai piece of garden which is perfect for tourists who don't have the time to visit the whole property. Here Mr. Tawisak has concentrated some of the best botanical gardens inside 4 domes. The first dome contains a waterfall and plants which particularly rely on humid conditions. The second dome is an orchid house. The third dome focuses on 2 plant types which in Thai are called bonsai and nawar. The fourth dome is a cactus house containing many varieties of cacti and succulents. Also in this area is a giant topiary of some 130 meters in length, which finishes with a water fountain. Also featured in this area are Australian bottle trees imported especially for this garden to Thailand. Next are the palm gardens containing more than 50 varieties of palm. Many examples are pictured here and will be of particular interest to avid botanists. The cycad garden contains cycads from many parts of the world. For example, South America, Australia, Africa, Cambodia, and the provincial areas of Thailand. Also included is what Tawichon has called the Provincial Trees Garden. This garden contains trees which are native to specific provinces within Thailand. The flower garden will be of special interest for flower lovers with a huge variety of flora. Also situated at Tawichon is a croton garden with a huge variety of species present for you to enjoy. Situated at the centre point are many cut hedges of many varieties, including English hedges and Christina hedges. Of course, the children will also enjoy the hedges of many animal shapes. Perhaps the most exciting of all is the King Kong feature, some 6 meters tall. The Naga dragon is 130 meters long, but there are fish and animals of almost every kind imaginable. It's perhaps amazing just how many cut hedges they've designed. They are spotted all around the gardens in the most surprising of places. But the hedges are not just animals, there's also a huge map of our solar system. In the herb garden again, we are bought a huge variety of useful plants which can be used as herbal medicines. More than 180 varieties are here. This of course will be of interest to anybody with a special interest in the medicinal properties of plants. There are nurseries of decorative flowers. Many of these flowers can be used agriculturally and are particularly useful in developing local agricultural economies. Of course, passionate gardeners will also enjoy these flowers. The labyrinth maze is another fun feature at Tauichon Gardens. The main hedge is grown from a popular variety called Christina. At Tauichon, you'll enjoy seeing many odd varieties of plants, perhaps that you've never met before, from many different countries, some with unusual nicknames like Rusty, Black Boy, or the Bottle Tree. Apart from the botanical experience at Tauichon, there are other cultural items to view. In the museum are the Buddha rooms containing antique Buddha images from a variety of historic locations and periods. There is a special room devoted to Princess Rasami, the wife of King Rama V. She is known as the patron of many kinds of northern Thai handicrafts, having brought many craft skills to the north from central Thailand. The Central Museum Room is made up of Mr. Tauisak's personal collection of ancient Thai weapons and ancient Thai amulets previously found in northern Thailand. The Rice Room is devoted to displaying many of the old agricultural fetishes and idols which the Lanna people have relied on in the past. The old-fashioned Lanna style houses are built to display the previous way of life of the old Lanna people. There are three styles of house in this compound. Firstly, a more modern rice farmer's house. Secondly, a genuine old Lanna style house typically lived in by the agricultural Lanna people. Between these two houses, you can see the different ways of life between the periods. Lastly is a traditional Thai Liu house. The Thai Liu people also lived during the Lanna times and were renowned for their fabric design. Apart from all of this, you will find modern facilities, a fitness room, a swimming pool, a cafeteria, also a conference room and paddle boats perfect for travelling around the lakes and viewing gardens from the water. You'll also find a zoo at Tauichon, complete with camels, ostriches, deer, swans, ducks and many different bird varieties.